Video we are going to answer for class 8 science. In the previous video we have answered up to 88 question. Now let us answer from 89th. These are very important questions related to examination. So the 89th question is, name the constellation that can be seen in northern sky ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾರ್ದನ್ ಸ್ಕೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುವಂತಹ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ 89th question the right answer is Cassiopeia. 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 So now let us move for 90th question. The 90th question is, which is the main source of heat and light for all the planets anta ide. For this 90th question, the right answer is the sun. Sun is the main source for all planets. Now let us move for 91st question. The 91st question is, write any two differences between stars and planets. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎರಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 91st ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡು ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ main differences between stars and planets? The first is stars twinkle, then planets do not twinkle. The second difference is stars do not change their position. Stars do not change their position. Planets change their position with respect to stars. So these are the two differences between stars and planets. Now let us move for the 92nd question. Define orbit. So let us define what is orbit. So orbit andre ಏನು? So let us answer the question number 92. So orbit is defined as the definite path in which a planet revolves around the sun. Now let us move for 93rd question. What is period of revolution? So period of revolution andre ಏನು? So 93rd question, the time taken by a planet to complete one revolution is called period of revolution. Now let us move for 94th question. So 94th question is, what is a satellite? So now let us answer what is a satellite. So satellite is defined as any celestial body revolving around another celestial body is called satellite. So now let us move for question number 95. The question number 95 is, which is the natural satellite to the natural satellite of the earth. So the natural satellite of the earth is moon. So moon is the natural satellite. So now let us move for 96th question. What are artificial satellites? Name them and their uses. So artificial satellites ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು, ಅವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. First let us answer what are artificial satellites. So artificial satellites, so what are artificial satellites ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೀಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. the man made satellites are called artificial satellites. The man-made satellites are called artificial satellites. Next, we have to name them artificial satellite. Aryabhata, then INSAT, IRS, Kalpana 1, EduSat. These are all artificial satellites. Then what are the uses of artificial satellites? Artificial satellites are used, it is used for forecasting. It is used for forecasting weather. The second use of artificial satellite is it is used in transmitting. It is used in transmitting TV and radio signals. The third uses of artificial satellites are it is used for telecommunication. It is used for telecommunication and remote sensing. Telecommunication and remote sensing. So these are the some of the uses of artificial satellites. Now let us move for the next question. That is we have completed question number 96. Now let us answer the question number 97. Dash are called shooting stars. So which is called as a shooting star? The shooting star is meteors. So answer for 97th question, that is meteors. Now let us move for 98th question, that is what are meteorite? Meteorites andre ಏನು? Now let us answer this question. So meteorites na ಈಗ answer ಮಾಡೋಣ. Some large meteors before evaporating completely, they reaches the earth, and this is called meteorite. ಅದನ್ನೇ meteorite ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So now let us move for 99th question. When Halley's comet will be visible again? ಮತ್ತೆ Halley comet ಯಾವಾಗ visible ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. It will be visible. So in the year 2061. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 2061 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ Halley comet ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. For every 76 years we can see the comet. Now let us move for the 100th question. What are asteroids? So asteroids andre ಏನು? So now let us answer that question. A large gap between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter is occupied by a large number of small objects that revolve around the sun they are called as asteroids. ಅವನ್ನ ನಾವು asteroids ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Now let us move for question number 101. So 101th question is name inner and outer planets. So now let us list the inner planets. So inner planets ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. They are inner planets. Then which are the outer planets? Now let us list the outer planets. So outer planets na list ಮಾಡೋಣ. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So these are called outer planets. Now let us move for question number 102. So question number 102 is which planet has highly tilted rotational axis? So highly tilted rotational axis ಇರುವಂತಹ planet ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So for that one, for 102 question, the right answer is Uranus. So 103 ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So 103rd question is which is the planet having least density than that of water? So water ಗಿನ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The right answer for this is Saturn. Now let us move for 104th. 104th question ಇದೆ which is the largest planet ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. Then 105. So if 150 ಇದೆ if I am 13-year-old how many times I have gone round the sun? So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ if I am 13 years old ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸೊ 13 years old ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ 13 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸನ್ನ ಸುತ್ತ ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ತಿರುಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ that is 1 year, that is 365 days. So now let us answer the 106th question. So 106th question is which is the brightest planet in the solar system? So brightest planet ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 106th ಅಲ್ಲಿ the brightest planet is Venus. So like this still some more questions will be answered in the next video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Those already subscribed, watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thank you very much.